Hello guys, it's Dale here. Before I begin with the video, I'd like to show you a special Halloween sale that we are running on the website. The sale is on my best educational packs, which is the order flow pack and the elite pack, which you can find in here. So let me show you real quick. Let me click this order flow now, and in here there is a video which shows the whole order flow pack, which consists of order flow software, volume profile software, and 12-hour long video course on training with the order flow. You can watch the video to learn everything that you are going to get in this pack, and if you scroll down you can get it discounted in here. Right now it's only $3.97, as does the special Halloween sale we are running. Now let me go back and let me go here, trading course and tools. When you click this banner, it will take you to this page, and if you scroll down a bit, then in here there's my recommended training pack. It's called the Elite pack. There's also a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite pack. In short, it includes 15-hour long video training on trading with volume profile. It also includes my personal trading levels. Those are daily trading levels and swing trading levels. It also consists of volume profile pack, which is pack of my volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. At the top of that, there is a free tech support for Elite pack members and also for the order flow pack members. The special support means that our tech support will connect to your computer. They'll set up NinjaTrader platform for you, set up all the indicators, workspaces, connect you to data feed, and they'll do it for free, as that's a part of the service that we provide to the Elite pack members and also to the order flow pack members. Alright, so those are the two best educational and indicator packs that I offer, and both are currently discounted. If you are new to my trading method and if you want to learn how to trade with volume profile, then I recommend getting the Elite pack. And if you already went through this and if you are interested in day trading with order flow, then I recommend getting the order flow pack in here. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the Halloween sale. And let me now switch over to the charts and talk about the trading ideas. So the first one is on the ES, which is futures for the Standards and Poor's Index. And we are looking at a 30-minute chart. And in here, what I want to talk about are actually two trading ideas. The first one is here. It is a long at 35.20. It is a strong support, and it is based on a rejection setup. Rejection is this. This is a rejection of lower prices. It means that the price was dropping fast and then it reversed and went aggressively the other way. In this case, it went upwards. So this is a rejection of lower prices, and strong buyers were active in here. They rejected the strong sellers who are pushing the price downwards, and they started to push the price aggressively upwards. Now, this is very important zone because buyers were active here before the price turned, right? And those heavy volumes which you see in the rejection should work as a support. When the price makes it back to this support at some point in the future, then it's very likely that the price will react there, as the buyers from this place, the buyers, those aggressive buyers who push the price upwards from here, will become active again. They'll want to defend this important zone and push the price upwards from there again. Right, so this is the rejection setup, and apart from that rejection setup, there's also another setup, another level, and it is a resistance at 37.53, and it is based on volume accumulation setup. It is based on massive volumes which got accumulated before this strong selling activity. Now those volumes are telling us that strong sellers were building up their short positions in here, and afterwards those sellers manipulated the price to go downwards into this downtrend. So this is an important zone for those sellers, because they were building up their short positions in here. And when there's a pullback to this place at some point in the future, it's very likely that those sellers will want to defend this place and to push the price downwards from there. Alright, so that's why I think this will work as a strong day trading resistance. So what we have on the ES is a resistance at 37.53 and a support at 35.20 based on those volumes. If the price hits any of those, then I expect a reaction. Now let me switch over to another trading idea, and the next one will be on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. So what you see before you is a 30-minute chart of the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And what I want to talk about here is a resistance at 63.02, which is based on volume accumulation setup. The logic is very similar as on the ES. There was a rotation where heavy volumes were accumulated. From this rotation, from this heavy volume zone, strong sell-off started. This sell-off is telling us that strong sellers were building up their short positions in here, and then they manipulated the price to shoot downwards. Now this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone where those sellers were active, and the beginning of that zone should work as a resistance. So when there's a pullback to it, I expect a reaction, right? This is a resistance. Sellers from this place should defend this heavy volume zone and push the price downwards. Now let's go and have a look at another trading idea, and the next one will be on the Euro British Pound. So this is a 30-minute chart of the Euro British Pound, and in here I want to talk about two resistances. The first one is in here at 0.8698, and the second one in here at 0.8751. So let's first talk about the first one. Let me draw the volume profile here. This is the volume accumulation setup again. We have heavy volume zones from which strong selling activity started, and there's a gap, and I consider a gap like this also a strong selling activity. So we have this strong selling activity commencing from this heavy volume zone. What I expect is the price returns back, close the gap, fully close the gap, and react to those volumes, right? The price usually tends to close those gaps, so that's why I think that sooner or later will get closed fully, and then the price will react to that volume accumulation setup in here. So this is the first resistance. The second one is also based on volume accumulation setup, is based on those heavy volumes. Now usually I trade from the beginning of a heavy volume zone, which would mean in here. But in this case, if I move the profile like this, you see that the heaviest volumes before this strong sell-off were actually accumulated in here in this rotation, right? Not in here, but in here. That's why the level is at 87.51, at this place where those heavy volumes before this sell-off were accumulated. Those volumes are pointing to a strong sellers who are building up their short positions in here, and then those sellers manipulated the price to go downwards from there. So when the price reaches this resistance at some point in the future, then I think the sellers from this area will defend this place, which is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and I think there'll be a reaction. Alright, so that's for the Euro British Pound. Now before I wrap this video up, what I like to do is announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was a volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week, and the only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy trading!